The first step is to open Canva, and scroll down to the design with the text you want to rotate. Click on the design to open it. Click to select the text box. Click the rotate icon. With your mouse, click and drag the rotate icon, then drop it on the position where you want your text to be. You may need to resize the rotated text depending on the canvas size you are using. If that's necessary, click in the font size menu to change the font size. If you have more than one text box element to rotate, click on the first text element while holding the Shift key. With the first element selected, and while still holding down the Shift key, click on the second text element. With your mouse, drag the rotate icon, and drop it on the position where you want your text to be. That's it. You're done.